What is up, guys? Welcome back to the video. We got Jacob, we got Devin. We're at a truck meet. Everything seems to be leaving everybody. All we have is train horns going off every now and then. Shoot. There goes that truck. Yeah, what's his?
Yeah, it was his. Yeah, because they all went mudding together.
Come on, hit the horns, hit the horns, hit the horns, hit the horns.
You
Come
might
on.
not have any.
Yeah, I don't think he does. He's taking off pretty quick. He doesn't have horns. I want to hear Roger's horns. Those are nice.
I got a train horn on Snapchat.
Oh, there's mine.
Get the rebel flag in
Slowly zooming in. The Tundra with the flags. Well, this is trucks. I would say Truck Nation. All you see is a whole bunch of truck vans. That's kind of cool looking.
That is badass.
Yo, Devin just walked away. The truck gang out here. Devin, come over here. Look. Come look how cool this like looks. Just straight shot down. It's all the just like the. Yeah. We here. We at the meet. Just trucking. Here you go, Jacob. There you go.
That's my dream truck.
Yeah.
It's even had the orange lights.
Nope. I'm thinking he's gonna try. I don't know. I want him to. Nope. Not gonna get that one in the shot. He's gonna go though. Come on. Oh.
Do it.
Oh, he was about to, bro. It seemed like it.
No, but as soon as we leave, someone's gonna start doing it.
Dude, I just.
Honk the horn, man.
Do a burnout!
Do a burnout!
I'm waiting for this. I want this challenger to do burnout. Let's go tell him to do burnout, man.
You tell him to do a burnout.
No, I'm just gonna sit right here, honestly.
He can still do one.
Yeah, he will too.
Oh shit, let's go. I want to say burnout. Let's.
Dude, burnout!
Yeah, I was thinking of happen. As the police is right there, just skirting on by. Then they so bad. Huh? Is he gonna do it again?
He's waiting. He's like, hurry up, truck.
Side by side. Dang. Nothing. Let's see it.
Oh shit.
Maybe he sees them.
Do it!
No way.
Fucking do it!
It's worth the ticket.
It's worth the ticket!
Come back, man.
Nah, he's parking.
Park like that. That's pretty good.
Oh, he's back. Back, he was like, I didn't get to do it.
Top? Oh.
No, this dude.
I think they're just trying to pump fast.
Fucking ran over.
It's a nice trophy.
That's good.
It's a truck.
That's how you know he
Yeah.
races.
Man, we all fought. He got us.
Do it.
Here we go. He heard him say that one.
That's battle, dude.
Nope. All slow.
Horsepower on this truck.
I want to see this.
Oh snap. It's a race truck. Sounds like it's not even on, dude. Dang, bro. That's the best burnout right there.
Best burnout!
This kind of looks like, what am I doing with my life?
This Ram wanted to do something.
There's a chick driving there. Everything's scraping.
Oh, dude, look, he just like cut the fucking bumper off.
All right.
Nick sucks at that shit.
Damn. Jesus.
Man, it fucking sucks my phone died.
Hey. Cool. Do it. Bro. Man, he don't care. I wonder if he knows. He ever told this guy?
No, there's a cop! Cop! Let him do it!
Yeah, let him do it, man. They obviously got the money.
Is this front wheel drive or
Damn. Hey, he's leaving.
Right.
What? He's gonna take off all quick.
Nobody can pull you over! I'll just give you a ticket, you're good! I'll give you money! Alright, just leave the
These motorcyclists are like, gosh, hey, he might go burnout. Which one? The Challenger? Yeah. He already has two.
You do go now!
Challenger might do for violated Charger.
Yeah.
If the Charger doesn't do it.
Did he do anything?
Hey, my parts sound similar. Okay, we want that.
Yeah!